Hello students, today we are going to study the test of similarity of triangles. Now before that, we must know what is meant by similar figure. Similar figures are those figures which are same in a shape but different in size. See on the board here, different triangles are drawn here. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR, triangle MNP, triangle XYZ. For our convenience, let us suppose that each triangle is an equilateral triangle and therefore each angle of the triangle is of 60 degree. So all these four triangles are in a same shape but they are of different size. For our convenience, let us suppose that the side of the triangle is like this. As all the four triangles are equilateral triangle, therefore the side of triangle ABC each equals to 1, side of triangle PQR each equals to 2, side of triangle MNP each equals to 3, and side of triangle XYZ each equals to 4. Now these types of triangle are called as a similar triangles. It means that in case of similar triangles, two things must be remembered, and these two things are about angle of triangle and sides of triangle, angles and sides. What is the observation now here? In case of angles, corresponding angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. That is, T corresponds to Q, Q corresponds to N corresponds to Y. A corresponds to P, P corresponds to M corresponds to X, etc. And what about sides? If we observe the sides of these triangles, we see that the ratio of sides, that is AB by PQ, is 1 by 2. Again, PQ by MN, AB by MN is 1 by 3. BC by NP is a 1 by 3, AC by MN is a 1 by 3. So if you take any pair from these four triangles and if we compare their sides, we see that the ratio of sides are constant. That is, AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. Let us see here. AB by PQ, value of this ratio equals to 1 by 2. BC by QR equals to again 1 by 2. And AC by PR equals to 1 by 2. So we can say that in case of similar triangles, the sides, in fact corresponding sides, are in proportion. So these two statements, one about triangle and another about sides, should be remembered in case of similar triangles. Corresponding angles are congruent and corresponding sides are in proportion. Now discuss about the test of similarity. The first is a AA similarity test. A stands for angle, another A stands for angle. So angle similarity test. Now take any two triangles. Let us suppose that first two triangle in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. We will take a fresh pair of triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So this is a measure of this angle is a 60 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is a 50 degree. Now what is our observation in these two triangles? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B congruent angle Q, because measure of each angle equals to 60 degree, as well as angle C congruent angle R, because measure of each angle equals to 50 degree, and therefore we can say that these two triangles, that is triangle ABC similar triangle PQR by AA similarity test. AA similarity test. Why? Because we know that in case of triangle, the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree, and therefore the sum of measure of angle A is equals to 70 degree as well as P equals to 70 degree. It means that if we know any two angles of the triangle, then we can find out the measure of third angle. Still, if we are given only two pairs of corresponding sides of triangle, then it is sufficient to show these two triangles are similar by AA similarity test, because we use here only two pairs of corresponding sides. So AA similarity test is like this: for a given two triangle, if two angles of first triangle are congruent with the corresponding pair of another triangle, angle of another triangle, then these two triangles are similar by AA similarity test. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B congruent angle Q and angle C congruent angle R, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, and it is the AA similarity test. Is it clear for AA similarity test? Okay. Now we are dealing with the second test, AAA similarity test. Consider the same pair of triangle, and this information in the triangle is given in the form of measure of all three angles. That is, all three angles of triangles are given. Then we can say that for given pair of triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, angle C congruent angle R, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, and this test is called as a AAA similarity test. Is it clear? If, listen once again, if we are provided all three angles of triangle, then the pair of triangle is similar by AAA similarity test. Now see this number 3, SAS similarity test. Now see in the figure, which information is given now? For triangle ABC and triangle PQR, length of two sides is given and the measure of included angle is given. Measure of included angle is given. So for these two triangles, which elements we have now? Angle B congruent angle Q. This information is given about angle of triangle. Now what about side? Side AB corresponds to side PQ and the value of this ratio is 2/6 leads to 1/3. This is our equation 1. For second ratio, BC by QR, which equals to 1.5 divided by 4.5, which equals to again 1/3. This is number 2. So from these two ratio, what we get? AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. Now this angle is congruent and the sides, the ratio of sides which includes the congruent angle are in proportion. Sides are in proportion and the included angle is congruent, then we can say that these two triangles are similar by SAS, means ratio of two sides and ratio of two sides is in proportion and included angle is congruent, then the triangles are similar by SAS similarity test. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and the test is a SAS similarity test. So this is all about SAS similarity test. Now the last test, SAS similarity test. Let us see this. Now for this test, the information is given about the sides of triangle only. Means we are given information about sides of triangle only, then we can use this test, SAS similarity test, by testing the ratio of triangles, because we know that the ratio of corresponding sides are in proportion. Means if we get the result, that is AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR, then these two triangles are similar by SAS similarity test. Let us check the ratio now. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, first ratio AB by PQ equals to 2/4 equals to 1/2. This is the value of first ratio. Check the second. BC by QR equals to 3/6 equals to 1/2. And last, AC by PR equals to 2.5 divided by 5, which equals to also 1/2. This is number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we have? AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to AC by PR. So which indicate that the ratio of sides are in proportion and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle PQR SSS similarity test. So it is clear.